Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami cube with a 4-bladed propeller on it. And it not only looks cool, check this out. It's a noise-maker poppet. That is loud. Alright, want to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. Oh, one more thing, it can also spin. And the propeller spins too. Okay, here we go. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. So, let's begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. We're going to make a waterbomb base. Unfold, and fold in half this way. And fold this corner to the top. And turn over, right to left, and repeat. Okay, and open the pocket, bring the sides together like this, and flatten it. And here we have the waterbomb base. Okay. And now we're going to take these two corners, and we're going to fold them to the middle. You can do one at a time. Okay, take this corner and fold it to here. And do make sure that this crease aligns with that crease. Okay, don't unfold yet. Well, don't unfold it. Take this edge and fold it to this crease now. You could fold it exactly to the crease, but I'm actually going to leave just a small gap. About 1 millimeter space. Because we're going to be folding this over like this. So you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but I left about 1 millimeter of space. So that way when I fold this flap over, it doesn't interfere with that edge. So yeah, now fold the flap over on the existing crease. And make that sharp, see? So it doesn't interfere with the edge. Alright. And repeat on this side. So take this corner and fold it to this corner. And take this edge and fold it almost to the crease. Well, I'm going to fold it almost to the crease, but you can fold it exactly to the crease if you like. And fold the flap down. Alright. And now, we're going to take this corner and fold it to here. And if you folded this edge almost to that crease, and then fold this over like this and fold this to here, it might not align exactly. The edges might not align exactly, but it's okay, that's not really noticeable. Or you can also fold this up so it aligns with the edge below, but it doesn't really matter, just fold it up like this. Unfold, and take this edge and fold it to that crease. And open, and squash. Okay, and now fold this up in between these two corners. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to take this flap, and we have to kind of look at it from this side to see. So what we're doing is we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up. So this crease aligns with this crease. So just bringing those two creases together like this, and you can look at it like that. So make them align just like that, and flatten it. And repeat on this side. So let's fold this up. And fold it to the crease you just made. And open and squash. And now fold it down like this. Okay, and now fold it. I'm gonna get my pen for this, it's easier for my pencil so it's easier to follow. And now looking at it from this side, we're gonna align this crease with that crease. So you should see it like this, so this crease aligns with that crease. I hope you can see that. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model. Okay, and now crease that nice and sharp. Okay, and now at this point, this is optional, but you can round the propeller blades like I did on this model. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to. At this point, you should start doing it. So just fold the corners in like this to taste. And then same on this side. Start with the raw corner. Okay, like that. Alright, so half of the propeller is done, and now we're going to repeat all that on the back side. And I'm not going to, that's kind of a lot of folds, so I'm not going to fast forward. I'll show you again. So, fold these two corners to here. And now fold to the last crease. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time, or at my own pace. And now fold this edge to this crease. Well, I'm going to fold it almost to the crease. Now fold this down. Repeat on this side. Fold to the corner. And I'm going to fold this up about a millimeter away from the crease. And fold the flap, just this top flap down. And now fold to here. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. And now fold to the crease you just made. Open and squash. And fold this up. And repeat on this side. And if you like, round out the propeller blades. Alright. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to take this and we have to line these two creases, remember? Just like this. Oh, I almost forgot to do that. Okay. And that step is actually what makes the propeller blades evenly spaced out. Because if we didn't do that, it wouldn't be even. Okay. And we really need to make this into a cube, so we have to make a fold in between these two corners. There might be a crease running across the blade, but that's okay. It's just it's not gonna be a sharp crease anyway because there's so much layers of paper. But yeah, just try and fold in between those two corners. Okay. And it's okay if those get folded. It's perfectly fine. And let's reverse the crease. It's just what makes it easier to form it into a cube when we inflate it. Okay. And same here. I'm gonna fold this up like this. Unfold and reverse. Erase it first and reverse it. Okay, and now here's the fun part. We're going to blow it up. So separate like this and like that, and blow into that opening. Alright, now at this point, make those folds. And shape its taste. And once you did that, your origami 4-bladed propeller on a cube is all done. And what's really cool about this is that it is a noise maker. It's a poppet. Because, you know, when you do that on the traditional water bomb, it doesn't make a lot of noise. But this one, oh yeah. This is way louder. And of course, what's also cool about it is that if you blow into it, and make sure that the bottom point kind of comes out a little bit, and find a smooth surface, and it spins just like that. The propeller and all that stuff spins, and it looks really cool. So yeah, there you have it. I don't really know what else to say, except it's really cool, and it's a cool poppet. And yeah, alright, well, I hope you guys were able to do this, and enjoy playing with it. And if you like this video, give it a like, and I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about this video. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. That way you'll get notified every time I launch a new video. Alright, see you guys later.